Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with William, and today's episode. Hey guys, today's episode grilled. Hey guys, so what you? Hey guys, for today's episode, grilled cheese and chicken soft shell tacos. Grilled cheese and chicken soft shell tacos with sun-dried tomato. So what you're going to need for today's episode is some cheddar cheese, soft shell tacos, chicken breasts, jalapenos, and some salt and pepper and a little bit of cooking oil and butter.
Chicken tacos with grilled cheese. Hey, chicken taco, get in my belly.
So, my chicken, I filleted it. I've sliced it in half, seasoned with salt and pepper, grated some cheddar cheese, sliced some jalapenos, my sun-dried pesto, and my flour soft shell tortillas. And now we're going to cook. Okay guys, welcome back. So in my chicken pan I've got a mixture of sunflower seed oil and butter. I'm not mixing it because I'm cheap, I'm mixing it because butter has a very low smoking temperature and I don't want to burn it and spoil the taste of the chicken. I'm heating up a flat pan here for the tacos, and I will show you what's going to happen next. We want both our pans to be nice and hot, but we're going to wait a little while to get the tacos started because they are not going to take very long to cook. You can see our butter's melting beautifully into the oil. If that had just been butter, it would have already started browning by now and burning. But because we've got oil in there, we have increased its smoking temperature, which means it's good to cook in. I haven't got my chicken breast quite even, so I'm just going to hold out and start in the thinner slice for a moment. And what we're doing now is we're just going to slightly warm up our soft shell tacos. Please always remember the golden rule. You cannot have too much cheese. Actually, you actually can have too much cheese. Yeah, it's possible, but it takes a lot to be too much. You can see even with the oil, our butter's still going a little bit golden, but that's okay. I mean, we can't stop it completely, but we can slow it down. And now what we're going to do is we are going to flip these cheese side down, and we are going to burn that cheese, or burn it. We're going to make it golden brown with a nice crispy outer cheese shell. As you can see, my motto is you can't have too much cheese. Double side cheese these things. One side will be golden brown and one side will be juicy, melted, delicious cheddar cheese. This is one of my favorite quick and easy snacks. As you can see, that's beautiful. Some golden brown edges. That's perfect. I'm going to remove that from the heat. Turn the heat off on that one. It's exactly how we want it. You can see the cheese there has now gone golden brown. Now we wait for our chicken. You could possibly toss a little bit of white wine and rum or whatever you got in there if you want. For today's purposes though, I'm just gonna cook it. One thing you really want to remember when cooking chicken is not to overcook it. You know, cooked is cooked. And for me, once you slice these chicken breasts like this, you know, you normally have a cooking time of about 5 minutes.
grilled cheese.
Very easy from this point on. Just going to slice our chicken.
Hey, chicken
As you can see, that's
taco.
perfectly cooked.
Get in my belly. My chicken tacos come with grilled cheese. Hey, chicken taco. Get in my belly.
Now let's give it a try. So crispy at the bottom,
My chicken tacos
absolute perfection.
come with grilled cheese. Cooking with William. Yeah, it's cooking and cooking.
Thanks guys for tuning in. Please like, share and subscribe. Next week we'll be cooking an egg.
Cooking